We build prototypes to test a theory, and yet a prototype tests us. From that time we see the raw materials and we want to turn it into something, to the time that we start playing with it, it starts to play with us. It teaches us things. It doesn't entirely bend to our will. Instead, it has its own will. We think it's going to be one thing, and then it surprises us, and it comes back with its own identity. The prototype will never be perfect. It'll always be a little rough and a little off. But in its own rough way, it's a thing of beauty that teaches us so much about not only what it can be, but what we can be as well.